Hi, Larry Gaines, PowerCycleTrading.com. In this video, I want to show you a trade alert trade that I sent out last Friday. So I have an alert service, and members to the service get 4 different alert services. And one of them is I send out calendar and calendar diagonal type trade setups. So this is one that I sent out last Friday, and this was sent out towards the end of the day. So this was a going short SPY. And so here you can see that the text that was sent out, and here's the date on the 16th, that was Friday, and around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, hour before the close. So it says here, new short SPY trading at $416.55. SPY is extremely overbought. Based on this, a pullback next week is a high probability. So the trade was right here, bought open a diagonal SPY 10 May option series, 21 April series, 416, 411 at $4.40 debit or lower. So that's exactly what we did. And then we had a price targets had here, price target 1, 414, 412, 405. So we hit 414 today. So let's take a look and I'll walk you through the trade. Now, one indicator that I used that I designed and put together to show me turning points from an overbought, oversold market on a long-term basis is this indicator here. So basically what you're seeing, this is a SPY on a weekly time frame, which I refer to as long-term. Now, these are average true range. These are average true range indicators or bands. So this yellow dots here is a 2 ATR. The blue dots are 3 ATR on a weekly long-term. Now, down here's my indicator, my reversal overbought, oversold indicator. So two things here that I noticed going into last week, that the SPY, S&P 500, on a long-term basis is extended, quite a bit more than the average normal range of 2 ATR. So it's up to 3 ATR. And plus, it's getting extremely overbought. So this is an overbought indicator that I use. And the white line here is a reversal indicator. This yellow is a 14-period moving average of that. So typically what happens is when this yellow gets to the 90 percentile overbought in this situation, and we start getting the reversal indicator turning down and crossing, that's a really big, powerful signal that we are getting buying exhaustion. So you can see the last time we had this happen coming from 3 ATR was back here August of 2020, and we had a pretty big pullback here. Prior to that, we had one in February 2020, had a really big that was COVID, but so that's a little bit abnormal. But then we had another one back here in 2019. So it's a pretty dynamic and pretty accurate indicator. So that was what the trade was based on. But a lot of times these trades can take a while to finally stall out. So the trade setup was using what we call a calendar diagonal, which is a great option strategy to use if you're looking for maybe something to start turning, but it might take a little time to roll over, or something turning to the upside, but it may take a little time to roll to the upside. So this is the trade setup using a calendar diagonal. So going into the close this past Friday, did the calendar diagonal, so bought the 10 May. So went out to the 10 May series and then bought the 416 put, and then at the same time sold the closer in 21 April 411 put. So it looks like a put debit spread, but we've got 2 different series to take advantage of really accelerated theta decay and the short dated. So put this on at $425 per spread, $425. And today you can see it went out today at up $90, but it went out, actually we had a profit to take. I sent out an alert to take profit today, and this was up over $125 per spread. So this has really big potential if the market keeps moving to the downside. If we get a pullback, we hit our first target here today at 414, took some good profits there. And then if you wanted to trail it, potential for bigger profits tomorrow down, or this week, or we've got actually to the 10th of May. So this has plenty of time to work. But it's a really good way to play a downside or upside move. And if you want to buy some time, we can structure it to go out further on the long dated side to buy that, in this situation, put, and then sell a short dated put closer in to take advantage of that accelerated theta decay. So if you'd like to learn more about these types of trading strategies, make sure to join me at PowerCycleTrading.com. Good luck trading.